Yo, good morning. I wasn't so late today on the stream, so that's okay, I suppose.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Yeah. Welcome to Stratton Oakmont in this bish. Lol. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna mess with my camera specs just a wee bit. I'll bring it a bit smaller. Yeah, like that. And then what I'm gonna also do is gonna probably delete that one. Yeah, and then I'll copy. Let me go here, see what this one says. Copy, then go here, drop it in there, minimize it. Let me see if it's gonna let me drag it over. Ah, no, it doesn't. That's fine. We can just reopen it. We just delete that. Yup. Paste it again. Yup. Minimize the hell out of it and then just drop it right in the corner. So you can just see me there in the corner, see the charts a bit better as well. That's fine. Okay, now this one I think was just about screen sharing for the live stream video call I did with prop firm.
At 2:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we get Swiss PPIs year-on-year, prior minus 1.8%, month-on-month, prior minus
okay.
0.2%.
That's fine. So we got a bit of news. Let's just have a quick glance at the charts, then see what's going on with them. Right then, so price come up into this invalid zone. You've got a bunch of equal highs there, got lows here. I'm going to set an alert over 512, set an alert at 512. Just do that there. And then set an alert at 49 as well. Or 50, we just do that 50. Be easier. And then same with this here as well, so 103, so we'll just do probably 100 on that, and then we'll do another alert on the top side which is 51, so then we'll do 55 on that. So that's the euro pound covered. Now with this, I've got a feeling it looks like it's going to be going for longs, because it had this whole channel built up, price come to the channel out, bounced above the midline, and then just come straight back down. Now we're rallying up again on the UJ. Yeah, I mean, it looks very valid to me. The only thing I don't like is having a demand zone at the bottom of Asia, but obviously it can't hold in it, because you're seeing a sweep of the liquidity, build up, sweep, build up, sweep, build up, sweep, and they had this whole channel which has basically been swept and taken out. Would have been ideal if it come took these two lows, but it's fine. It's fine. So now we've got 224, 222, got just a few lows over here now, which I would be suspicious of price coming down to. So let's see what happens, because it could totally keep running up from here. Totally valid. So we'll kind of wait on that one. GBP, see what this one's saying. Gonna put it on the actual lows there. Very similar once again. Build up, sweep, build up, sweep. But you got equal lows here. This is interesting, so just keep an eye on that. Build up, sweep, broke structure. Build up, sweep, broke structure. Yeah, I see that price could still go up on GJ, at least until this level here, where we might then start to see a reversal occur. So I'm going to set an alert at 273. I'll do it at 280 in it. There, so I set an alert at 280. And then with UJ, not so sure. Gold and silver. Gold gapped open.
1 minute remaining. I'll lead with Swiss PPI year on year.
And moved higher. So I think that was because of tensions to do with the Middle East, i.e. Iran and stuff. Let me have a look if there's been any escalation over there. So over Friday, I remember Saturday, Sunday, considers target strike against Iran following a larger attack by NYT.
Minus 2.2% month to month.
That was late last night. Okay. That's a bit of an arsehole comment. Iran looks like they want to talk. I mean, I've seen so many posts from Iran yesterday talking about talks and stuff like that, and encouraging, you know, a deal to be made. I'm not too sure what's going on here. It looks like USA just wants to attack regardless. It doesn't even look like they actually want to make a deal or anything. Absolute a-holes. So that's kind of not ideal, to say the least. I'd be happy if you come down, take these lows around 8 o'clock-ish and then push back up to the invalid zone again. Because EU's got the equal highs there, but I suppose GU's come taken and it's broke downwards. If it's going to go long, it would take the tag into a demand zone and continue to go long, but it hasn't. So we've left Frankfurt high there. I suppose it's going to be interesting to see if it's going to hold or if it's not going to hold on that. That's going to be interesting. Because you know what it looks like on Euro? It looks like we're building a channel. So I would actually very much like that we build a clean channel. London comes, takes that low there, and then we get a two-leg. And then we fly through that channel. Damn it, man. My throat's so mangled. And then we can kind of target those highs. I would prefer that quite a lot, actually. Very much similar on here as well. Let's see what happens with these two. I could stay on M5, I suppose, because so where we're going. On the 4 hour. Have a quick look. So we've just taken out these highs. Is this going to be a fake out and drop back in this range, because we're kind of in this range right here? So is this just going to be a fake out and then come back into the medium? I think it is. I really do think it is. Silver looks better for it. Silver looks much better for kind of sitting in this range. It's taken out these highs here into the key area. Hopefully you get that rejection, come back down into the range again. But with tensions rising in the Middle East, it's really unlikely. But I would definitely prefer that we still see a sell-off. Sitting and waiting, I suppose. Usual game. Oh wait, I need to turn the fans on white. God damn it, that's so annoying. Hey. Not all of them are totally white though. There's like a different type of white in there. Don't know why it does that. What about the top fans? Fine. Oh, I need to send 1/2 emails. I can get some type of update on this dang payout. Right, so just send to me email. Now we'll go hit up support. Funded support, next window, payouts, eligible account, credentials. Out with those, need to speak to a person. Support a general, need support. Account number, damn it. They want their thing first, so that's why we just drop that in there. Get the code, close that one out, come back here, drop it in there, put my email address in there, copy all of this again, and then drop that there. It'll be everything for them. Yeah. Perfect. Support's already on it, which is good. Already got one advisor. Hopefully they might need to wait till the funded guys open at 9:30 to kind of authorize anything, but that's fine. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, so if we go on the M2 chart, what do we see? We see a little channel being built up here, and then prices literally come and just took that channel there. The channel build up, sweep, and there's gonna probably push down, which is one of the things I like to see when I'm looking for a continuation to a certain direction. So that's interesting for me. Man, I'm so tired. That looks like it's going to keep going down. I might have to take a quick flip into shorts. All the way back down to the... It depends if we get one leg, two leg, and then we can short down here. I might be able to get at least partials on the way down. still feel like this up here is going to be an invalid zone. Huh? Oh shoot. Still feel like this here is going to be an invalid zone. Although there's no confirmation of that, I'm just kind of guessing. But let's wait and see. Basically nothing from them. Why am I not surprised? Why am I not surprised? Anyway, what's going on here? Oh no, look! We're going back up. If we take this high, then we might fall from there. Let's go back to GJ in it because that's flown all the way up. I feel like could that be a fake out over Asia midline, or could that just be a break and test because you got a resistance level there? Break, test, continuation. I don't necessarily trade that. I would wait for break, test, goes up, gives a reaction, break structure, and then comes down, takes them out, and then the move occurs is what I would like to see. So something like break, test, pushes up, comes down, liquidates all of them, then gives the two leg with the invalid zone on top, and then target into there. I would very much prefer that, but the markets haven't been behaving the way they usually do, so hard to really say, isn't it? Hard to really say. As I crack open the iPad anyway. for every. Gonna move the camera down a bit. Actually, no wait, let me get comfy and then we can see if I need to or not. Okay, so here I think this is kind of comfy. Yeah, camera's fine. Here's Frankfurt low. Here's Frankfurt low. So let's see what happens here. I think this is gonna be an invalid zone right here. Let's contact it. That's just so I'm not trading from a zone that's a bit sketchy, that's all. And I'm gonna drop down to not sure, M2 probably. See, the issue we have now on the down lower time frame panel build up. Would it be a sweep of there and then a short down? I have to wait. Waiting's my favorite thing to do. We've got an M5 invalid zone here that was touched. So here's the invalid zone. It's touched once, broke structure, touched twice, broke structure, touched 3 times. And we haven't really seen much big bearish volume either, have we? In all honesty. Interesting. Go to coming down. Sahad bin Salim. Oh yo, what's going on? How are you doing?
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
How are you doing? If it takes out this invalid zone, it might keep going higher. You change your picture again and your account name. Funny guy. This is my personal one. Hit subscribe. I want to see the animation pop up. Hope it works. Sometimes it don't work. Nothing happened. I enjoyed. Yeah, sometimes I don't think it does it. That's weird, man. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Okay, done. We've taken out that low. Now, if we start to signal long, I'm going for it. Wait, did I even break structure? About 0.2 p. I would prefer a proper break, to be honest, man. I prefer a proper solid break. What are you saying anyway? When you coming back to Australia? Because you said you were gonna go home early. Because you had enough of India. And enough of the parjates. Nah, won't do nothing on that yet. Friday night I will leave. Oh yeah, no, you're on the other account. This guy. There you go. You'll enjoy that. I might be getting in a long momentarily on GU, maybe. I would prefer longs from a lower level, but if we get in from here, I'll take it. It is what it is. What's new anyway? Okay, we're 30 seconds away from London Open on the minute. I'm just gonna zoom out and see if we get any type of interesting movement from London Open. There's London Open. What's it gonna do? Had a full goat head foot. That's disgusting, man. That's disgusting. So on Euro it tagged into a supply zone, and now we're seeing, oh, that is lovely. Protein is protein. Yeah, I like that, bro. I can't be doing no goat head, bakri ass and stuff, cow feet and stuff like that. Kravre. Bro, my parents see kravre, I feel like I'm gonna be sick. The stink alone gets me, man. Kravre. I can't do it, I swear. Oi. This is disgusting, bro. So looks like shorts are gonna be the play, because what London Open did is build up, sweep into a supply zone, broke structure there, pull back in London Open, mitigated the supply zone, and now we're gonna shorten it. So Ben.
Well, hello everybody, this is Donald J. Trump. You're behind
Probably all the way back down to here, possibly.
Real J. Trump.
Nobody don't pay out. I just messaged them today. They said we'll update the team to get in touch with you, and I had my risk interview. The guy said, look, but there's only 8 of us, so odds are it is going to be delayed because we're so busy. But when I told him everything, he goes, look, my agency to make sure that people aren't, using bots and stuff. And he goes, you went into the strategy, bro. We literally ran out of time. He goes, like, I understand most of it because it's very similar to SMC. I goes, basically it's SMC, but where they trade from, I trade into those zones against them. He goes, yeah, that should be fine. Like, there's a lot of information there anyway. I was like, yeah, that's calm then. And that goes to mention I hear back. He goes, by 2 days Friday. I goes, yeah, but we'll actually hear back because you guys are really busy, innit? He goes, there's only 8 of us, so probably will be longer than that, but just reach out on Friday. The girl who had the interview 1 week before me, she said it took her a week to receive a request approval. So Wednesday I'll probably get the approval. And then she said hopefully this week she's gonna hear. Yeah, my one took 3 weeks after the interview. Yeah. Look at that volume right there. Lovely jubbly. The issue becomes now on the yen, on EUGUs, if it drops too far down, it's gonna invalidate the short side day because then too much volume's occurred. Because look at that short, man. See, I know a guy who trades similar to me, yeah? And what he does is, he has a big SL, and the minute it breaks, he has a buy stop, or a sell, is it sell stop? A sell stop? Which is the one where if it goes past that level, it automatically enters the trade. It's a stop, innit? Sell stop, buy stop, I don't know. So he'd have took that, but then, for me, that's just diabolical. Sell stop, that's the one, yeah. Because for me, yeah, like, because I use risk reward, I'd rather do that 3.5 pips or whatever, but that guy would do it on the breaks, is directly in profit with no drawdown, but his SL's huge. The win rate on that's still okay, not exact, it's not like an 80% win, it's still like 50-60% win rate, but the R is really low. That's more like hedging. Nah, because it's still shorting, but instead of waiting for a pullback, you're just directly in the short in case it moves down. Because look at that, that's a perfect example of London Open on the minute, mitigating a supply zone, and then volume instantly steps in. So if it breaks structure and doesn't give you a pullback, it just tags you straight into that trade and profit directly. So it's kind of good, but I don't like it. Because then you're just killing your risk reward, innit? If this method had like an 80% win rate, then yeah, calm, innit? Or 70% win rate, then yeah, sure. Probably get 1 to 2 and then call it a day. Because with the 10 pip SL, man, like, what was it 11.1 pips? Oh, I see, I thought he's talking about, no, just 1. So like, obviously, if price does a massive drop like that, you'll have a sell limit and then just bang, boom, straight in the trade, innit? And there's directly in profit. It's one of the YouTubers, innit? The apparent YouTubers. That's what he prefers to do, but as, once again, I don't see him actually doing anything. But yeah.
agreed to block 20th EU sanctions package and €90 billion Ukraine loan.
Didn't this always have the information on it? Yeah. I want it to always show stats. You stupid. Setting always show stats. I think it's because it stays on the chart with the prices and that triggers me. A lot of these gurus, man, I swear. To put Vaseline on my finger, man. I think I got a callus or whatever it's called. So usually just flew straight up. Okay, there it goes, coming back up now. I'm not going to trade from any of these zones. I'm going to wait for these zones to fail or something. I'm not going to get into anything too soon. Like the M2 supply zone right there, taking that high out into that supply zone. I wouldn't even take it from there because how big would the SL be here? 5 point, yeah, I wouldn't even bother, man. It's not even worth it. 3.9 is reasonable. The only issue you get with these London Open direct entries, yeah, is it's a bit risky. I've done them before, but they have to be proper perfect. Like none of these were clean. And you had this invalid zone above it, so I wouldn't have taken it. But if there was a clean one, I would have set a limit and then waited for London Open to literally come take it. But nope. I think the first trade I caught, the 40R one, I think that was a literally London Open limit entry. So London Open flew up, tagged my supply zone, entered me, and then just melted like 80 pips or something. for 100 pips is mad. Funding Pip said what? Weekly update, yeah. So we've had a break, we've had a test, we've had a continuation. Now I'd like to see price come back down, take out these lows, so it's taking out the break and retest traders. And then I'd like to continue going long on UJ, ideally. Price hasn't really moved, has it? UJ's gone up quite a bit. Now you could go look for a short here because you've taken Frankfurt high. I need a clean 2-leg for that, not getting anything yet. Bro, I swear London gives me freaking... I just got that feeling London's gonna be 30, bro. You know, you just get that feeling it's gonna be really bad. What's going on with you for? Shut your mouth. Oh, they got more voice audio stuff. Nah, I'll leave that alone. All is crappy. How's Gold Day looking? Oh, Gold Day. It's creeping down still, innit? Yeah, still going down. Have a look at HW info really quickly. Sensor only. About 50 degrees. Where's the voltage? 0.9. That's fine. Bro, I give up on London. As the setup comes, then it does the opposite. If it takes the same setup, it works. Bro, I swear down, man. London's flipping pen mazak banane. Wait, was that right? London pen mazak hai. Like it's a joke. It's a bloody what the you know what I mean? It's flipping. It's bullocks. It's absolute bullocks. Oh yeah. It used to be really good as well, you know. I think that I feel like New York's got the moves nowadays because there's so much going on here that everyone's just kind of waiting for New York. Even the London bankers and stuff like that. I think everyone's kind of waiting for New York. Because Trump the pen March or yeah, he's opening his mouth then, isn't he? He's not opening any other time. Yeah, CPU, everything's perfect. Voltage and everything's perfect. Nice. Very nice. It's a hard send help. Hey, look at that. Taking the low there now. Now, are we gonna get a move back up? I would love to see him move back up. The only thing I don't like is this looks like that might not be a sweep and it might be a breaker structure. Odd to say. Odd to say. Let's see what happens. Because London Open move normally gets big volume contraction, big volume, and we're not getting that. We're getting consolidation on GU. EU's just slowly dripping down, which tells me that's not the right move of the day. That's not that right bang pew, move you get. Shotgun bang. Shotgun bang. It's not that. I want the shotgun bang. On M5? To be honest, this looks like an invalid zone now that the moves occurred. Now let's see what actually happened. If we get price moving here, oh shit. Gold still coming down. That's what I'd like to see. Let's see if it works or not. Get rid of that. I'd very much like to see Euro push up now. pound. After pound's taken out these lows here. I prefer these lows, but these lows is also fine. I can get it for cheaper, bro. Trader Nick, his software has the Bloomberg terminal included, and Bloomberg terminal is $2,400 a month, and Nick's software is $700 for the lifetime. And you get Bloomberg terminal in there, so you get cut data and all that stuff, and you don't get absolutely every feature like the live market reaction and stuff like that to the every single point of news, but you get all the main points like cut data, all the retail sentiment, all that stuff in it. Because I think he's linked it to his software, and I think it's $700 lifetime, and that includes all updates and stuff moving forward as well. It's really good, to be fair. You trade 4 hours, so to be honest, if you're trading high time frame, bro, 1 hour, 4 hour daily, his software is really good. It just makes fundamentals simple, like so simple. I can kind of work it out myself, but that's because I had to study it quite a bit to understand it. It's not really that hard though, in my opinion. I think it's basic common sense, but you'd be surprised how many people don't even have that. But yeah, it works out to $2,400 a month for Bloomberg terminals. So what's that? 30k a year, bro. That's mad. Which idiot spending 30k a year on Bloomberg terminal? Still going down. Okay. Pound is still holding its level, you know. I thought it would have fell as well. Now yours is doing the falling. Would I have taken it on euro? Probably wouldn't have, because the SL would have been 4 pips on euro is way too big. That's way too big for euro. You would have been at 3R between 12 and 15. Oof. 15 would have been 3.75R. Yeah, I wouldn't have taken that. Absolutely no chance. What if it was higher though? What if it was the... That's 3.5 pips. That's not so bad. Actually, it's not so bad. Yeah, not worth it. But eurusd was much cleaner on a London-based entry. Way much cleaner. Like way. But invalidation right there. Tag the demand zone. If we didn't tag that demand zone, break structure, that would have been a really clean entry, but obviously it's not that damn clean, is it? It would have been 5.7 R or 7 R. It's not even worth it. Not even worth it. 8.5 R max TP, yeah, that's not even worth it. This is all quite bad actually, bro. Honestly, London, what is going on with you, mate? What is going on with you, man? Like, so bad, PA. That's an invalid zone anyway, right there. But price is so compact, you can't really do anything. I think gold will probably short back down again. Silver will probably also do the same. How's the... damn OCD kicking in. VIX is up 7%. Oh, yo. Where are you, Roger? That's up 7.5% today. That's interesting. That's gonna be from the tariff stuff, which is why all the indices are down. Nasdaq 0.7%, S&P 500 0.5, US 30 is down 0.45, which makes sense from the tariffs, of course. Bitcoin slipped as well, 3%. Ethereum slipped 3.6, makes complete sense. Oil's down 1% because I think the Iranians are actively saying that we want to get a deal and we're looking to make a deal and stuff like that. Which is why I think oil's probably dropped by 1%. But Ethereum and all that stuff and the indices is going to be because of the tariff spike again. Because Trump's not giving it a rest. Euro GBP remains balanced today. Fairly neutral. Interesting. Wait, did I put it back on the... yeah. It's been 40 minutes in London and we've not really done nothing on GU. Euro slipped a bit. Surprisingly, the pound's doing okay. Genuinely surprised by that. Bro, send help in these markets. Oi. This would be good if I had a third monitor. I can just sit doing some gaming. Dude, yeah, Misha's killing it. He's starting to chat to Mighty Car mods and stuff like that now. Yes, Mish. He's getting on it now. Right, so we absolutely wicked the hell out of that level. That's interesting. Could have bought it, took it by 0.4 pips. 0.4 pips. Yours at the Asia midline. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? You gonna do something or not?
At 4 a.m. Eastern Time, we get German IFOs, expectations, forecast 90, prior 89, spot 5, current conditions, forecast 86, spot 2, prior 85, spot 7, business climate, forecast 88, spot 3, prior 87, spot 6. We also get Italian CPI, year-on-year forecast 1%, prior 1%, month-to-month forecast 0.4%, prior 0.4%, HICPs, year-on-year forecast 1%, prior 1%, month-to-month forecast -1%, prior -1%. I have a strange feeling that I might be somewhat alone. Ah, I knew it. I was. Lol.
Oh dear. What are we gonna do?
At 4 a.m. Eastern Time, we get German IFOs, expectations, forecast 90, prior 89.5, current conditions, forecast 86.2, prior 85.7, business climate, forecast 88.3, prior 87.6. We also get Italian CPI, year-on-year forecast 1%, prior 1%, month-to-month forecast 0.4%, prior 0.4%, HICPs, year-on-year forecast 1%, prior 1%, month-to-month forecast -1%, prior -1%.
You are really nice guys today. Like the weather's really nice. These markets are what? Murderous. I just don't like that zone. I really don't. Looking back at it, I still don't like that zone. Broke structure here, tagged back into it instantly. Broke structure again, tagged back into it instantly. And then if you were to have taken it from here, you would have been break even. So I don't like the look of that. If we didn't have that occur like that and we had it high, then low, higher low, then a lower high tagging into that zone, lower low, lower high, lower low, not tagging to those zones, and then you built up a channel, then you sweep the channel, then you had a internal higher, a new lower high, or whatever you call it, then it would have been better. Like this. Builds the channel up, takes the channel out, then goes like that. That's fine to short. But no, didn't get that. nothing to do here on pound.
One minute remaining. I'll lead with German IFO business climate.
Oh yes, the news.
Still waiting for data. $88.6, 88.6, higher than forecast, 88.3. Still waiting for the rest of the IFOs. Current conditions 86.7, 86.7, higher than forecast, 86.2. Expectations 90.5, 90.5, higher than forecast, 90.
Some people are so funny. Oh god. Got no more news now until Tuesday. No. Wednesday, so we got dead day tomorrow. Let me just look at the Discord again really quickly because I think I posted it in there. In the news this week chat. So today we got Japanese bank holiday, China bank holiday. Fed Wallace speaks, that's not important. President Lagarde speaks, not important. Monetary policy report hearings tomorrow might bring volatility. Tomorrow's dead. So we haven't really got any news, to be fair. This week's very quiet. All we've got is unemployment claims Thursday, and Friday we got PPI. That's about it. Might be a dead week. This is the last week of the month as well, isn't it? Yes, it is. Damn it, man. We'll have to see how it goes. I'm gonna keep streaming. Hopefully if I can catch something nice and clean, I'll take it. If you don't get anything, then at least I've been here looking at the charts, looking for opportunities. That's the main thing, is just being on the charts to capture whatever is available. QT, okay, tariff illegal. Oh no, that's nothing important. It's a stupid message about tariffs. Okay. I'd very much like to see GJ drop, because we've just taken out Frankfurt high. We're starting to see sellers come in. It's looking like GJ might give a short. I don't mind if it tags into that demand zone, pulls back into here, then drops some break structure here, and then leaves that zone free so you can short. Because if it comes all the way down, then it's just bloody taking the channel to go higher. So then we might have to flip back to going long again, because then it's just going to leave this London high to attack. So let's see what happens. Beautiful. So break structure there. Now I'd like to see price retrace into the supply zone. Ideally. And if we can get that, I'll be happy. Happy as Larry. Whoever the hell Larry is. I've got all these lows over here. Give a clean break, man. That's all very balanced price action, to be honest. I don't like the look of that. We didn't break structure on there yet either.
Swiss Industry Group says the global uncertainty is dampening investment activity, and the additional US tariffs of 15% announced exacerbate current chaos. That's what we're looking at for this anyway. Just missing every zone casually. Idiot. That's on Thursday. Wait, how many pips away from this? 2 point something percent. That's gonna go hella far. Where are we on here? Friday, yeah. Probably about Friday 4 p.m. Damn it. About right. So we're 352.6, 362.5. That's about right. About right.
Set the limit on there. And get rid of that and that. I'm gonna keep that there. So I might probably actually take that low, but whatever. There's really not much going on, is there? Gold and silver pushing up again. You know what? Got a good idea. Ugh. I think this candle's fully dead, you know. Yeah, that's fully dead. Oh, I've got some paper in there. I don't know if that's gonna work. I'm not sure if that's right. Nope, that doesn't look like it's gonna work at all. That is, I've fully burnt out. Didn't even help. That's so cool. And for the fact you're smoking my room out for you. Really smoking my room out. That's a bad idea.
You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Let's make a big, beautiful deal, people. Come on.
दे
क्या कीते
कुछ नहीं ना
कैसा है
ये डोर बंद करो अंदर फिर तो बंद करो डोर कैंडल उसना पता कैंडल है उसना जी रस्सी है ना वो खत्म हो गया सी One sec, Moangi. Almost burnt the house down. The room's smoky as anything. what I said was my room's a bit smoky because I lit some piece of paper on fire and I was like, yo, the whole house is like black and smoky, so I was just trying to clean it out. Yes, Rahib, killing it, man. Have you got funded yet or not? Okay, yeah. I was trying to I had a handle, yeah, but it, you know, the thread ran out. I tried lighting paper and then using paper to burn the thread again, and obviously like I didn't realize I had ink on it. So bro, the amount of smoke you get off ink is insane. That was pretty much it. So Rahib, have you got funded yet or not? Oh, I don't know what's going on with you and your trading, lad. Oh dear. It's not smoky anymore now. I think we're safe. Bit cold though. Should we turn the camera back on now? Hello. It was smoky as hell. Rahib's avoiding the question. I don't think he got funded yet. Oh yaar. Oh yaar. Bro, I can't believe how much smoke you get from inked paper. Like, wow. It was like loads, like hell of a lot. The markets are really bad today, Mwangi. Really bad. Look at this on the M15, bro. I'm just going M5, yeah. You're gonna see how bad it was. Oh my god. The shorts, there were shorts, but I wanted to go long. Because you just had a bunch of highs sat at the top of Asia. And then obviously GU took it and then dropped, but it had the invalidation there, so I didn't take it. EU gave an entry on London Open, but the SL was it was invalid because it tagged the demand zone. Typical, absolutely typical. EU, GU, GJ, GJ wanted to go long, but price is so compressed on the M5 that is just consolidating like mad. So I couldn't even really catch like a clean entry anywhere. But obviously I'm glad that went long, which is good. UJ went long, which is good. Just been a bit choppy, man, but I think because it's the last week of the month and it's a Monday, I think that might be the reason why. It's the only thing I can think of as to why it's more choppy than usual. You can see it here, bro. It was really choppy. Build up, sweep, drop, broke down. I was like, I want a short, but then it tagged into a bloody demand zone right here. I was like, you asshole. But that price action is disgusting. Look at that. Need something for drive. Yeah, it's really bad at the moment, man. But I was Sahad was here earlier, and I was saying to Sahad that I think it's mainly related to all the stuff with the Trump in it. The markets are just waiting for New York more than they are in London, to be fair. And just because he's doing so much, which makes sense, because he's just above, like he's just doing too much right now, if you get what I mean. You know what, I'm gonna drop this all the way down here. just put that 450, perfect. We've got equal there. So yeah, and then gold and silver, they did big push up and then just consolidated the whole of Asia. London did a push up and that's it. Silver's more cleaner. It's just kind of pushing up consistently, but slow and steady type thing. Yeah, I think I don't know, man. You know, when he does these speeches, they're never really important, but whenever he does like the random ones, that's where the volume kicks in. So these speeches he does, I don't expect anything from them. It's more the case of the random ones that he pulls out of his back pocket. They're the ones that seem to flick in, give a hell of volume. Yeah, Japan and China as well. So kind of Asia, I'm guessing. They have a holiday, yep. But I thought obviously we might still get a move in it because pound could still move, even the yen's on bank holiday. You could still get something from pound. So I thought we'd give it a go. But obviously not. Obviously not. Give my desk a wipe down, man, because of all this damn dust. Nothing happened with Iran over the weekend. I was expecting something to occur. I think probably everyone was, to be honest. More nicer and cleaner. Nice and clean. I've got a really bad OCD, bro. Like things having to be clean. It's on Wednesday, Trump, not Tuesday. Oh yeah. But it's at like 2 in the morning, UK time. So that's like late. That's like evening America time. I don't think so. I don't think it's that. I think it's something different, but I'm not sure what exactly it is. Trump's not scared of anything. And to be honest, bro, you shouldn't really fear the Muslims. They can't even defend themselves, bro. You can just attack them and they'll do nothing anyway. I look at Syria, Libya, all of them. Like you know what? It's easy to bully Muslim countries. It really is. That's why the Americans and the Israelis do it. They know that they're not going to defend themselves. They're just like cowardly, innit? They have armies, but they don't even bloody use them. What's the point of having an army if you're not even going to bloody use it? Not Aaron. What do you mean? I don't know what you mean by that. Aaron, I don't know what you mean by Aaron. Oh, scared return. Yeah, Iran's not scared. Iran's not scared. The Iranian people are, but the regime isn't. The regime's not scared. Khamenei is quite. He's very much like Gaddafi, innit? He's quite a strong militant leader. Obviously, the only thing is that the Iranians don't like him because he's quite strict on the Islamic. He doesn't. Basically, he's not really Islamic, innit? Like he oppresses his people through fear and stuff like that, which isn't really good because none of that is Islamic at all, you know. which is why the Iranians don't like him. But I was saying to my Iranian friend, if you have a weak, coward leader, you're gonna get invaded. If you have a strong leader, you're not gonna get invaded. Because the issue strong leaders are, they're gonna be tough on their people, possibly. Because I'd rather have a strong leader than have a cowardly one and then be scared of any country trying to take us. Which is kind of, you know, why they don't like him, innit? They want a regime change. Why? This gets political, I suppose, innit? I think Rahib ran away when I asked him if he was funded or not. Poor guy. There you go, desk is nice and clean. But yeah, there's not much to do today, bro, unfortunately, in terms of the market. It's looking really crappy. Won't find anything clean on anything, to be fair. It's all very nah. Oil's down. Oh, hello, Haroon. Hello. Nothing happening. Yeah, it's the last week of the month, and it's a Monday, and you got Japan bank holiday, and you just had Trump over the weekend basically say whatever the USA, whatever the court does, I'm going to challenge it anyway. There's a lot been happening, man. So I don't know what we're going to get for this week. I don't know if we're going to get much for this week, in honesty. But it'd be nice to catch something at least. But I have to see what the market does, innit? Yeah, let me just have a look at WTI. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, I was gonna show you this. I was gonna show you VIX. Oh, was up 7%, almost 8%. Oil was down almost 1% here. They're starting to pick back up again. Honestly, I think, yeah, realistic, if you go on the 4-hour chart, let's go back on the daily again so I can just kind of grab, you idiot, grab that and then just stick it on the hour chart. I think realistically, bro, you know what looks good to me is this low right here, the 61. So I wouldn't mind going at 61 and then covering these lows, so something like this. I don't know when. I don't know when to do that, but that looks good to me. So 61.1, and then SL is basically the entry of the other level. Actually, I wouldn't even do an SL. I would just scale in another trade. I'd probably stick like something small on there, and then if it does drop down, go back in here and have another trade again. So do like a 0.01, like 0.1 lot on the first one, then 0.1 lot on the second one, or something like that. This is what I would guess. And then target about 70. Yeah. Yeah. maybe 3.8 or there, and then 3.5 or there. That's what I'm thinking on oil. One sec. I'll close the window now. Now that the room's fully aired out and smoke free. And also cold as hell. I mean, I left it on the thingy chart, didn't I? Yeah. Indices were down nearly 1%, but they picked back up a bit. Ethereum was down 2.5%, 3%. Bitcoin was down about 2%. It's kind of come back up a bit. Gold and silver as well. Yeah. Right then, anyway, I mean, I was gonna cut the stream literally before you guys joined, so unless you got anything you want to say, I'll cut it. If not, if you do, then we'll chill for a bit, but if not, then I'll cut the streams, whatever you guys. What's going on with my map, man? It's got like a dodgy mark on it, like dried out from here. Why is that? Why is it dried out? There's a put a bit of water on it. It's alright when you stick a bit of water on it. This mat needs a wash down, man. Nothing to trade. New York it is, yeah, very much so. Looks like it's seeming to be the case where New York might be the one to do this week. So yeah. What about you, Harune? Have you got an account yet or not? I'm kind of glad though, because I think we're seeing a bit more direction on the dollar. I think that we are going to see a stronger dollar. So I think that's kind of good. That we're going to kind of start to get a bit more clear direction. That makes sense. Until casual, yeah, peace out, bro. Not yet. Was thinking of getting one today, or better to start. Probably wait till after NFP week. So just get one after NFP, because then we're gonna have a bit more direction, then, aren't we? On what the market's actually gonna do. It'll probably be better after an NFP. How many accounts you blow? Amal, don't forget, yeah, you were blowing accounts as well, okay? You relax, bro. You relax. आकर हो ही गया ये रहा आकर हो ही गया yeah, please, plus Rose, I feel asleep. Bro, we are bro 20, bro. What's your count? You lot are idiots. Some proper comedies. Chilver, oh Chilver, teri moni. Okay, Harune, I'm gonna start downloading some games soon. I want to get Rocket League, man. I miss Rocket League. It's so good. Fear. Ha.
Welcome to trading, where when you hit the sell, I come to claim your soul.
Was that any good? Was that any good with the I don't know if it worked or not. I had the voice audio changer. I need to listen back to that if it worked. Because if it did, that's hilarious. If it worked. Oh, that was cool, bro. That was kind of cool. Yo, that was sick. Yo. Okay. Chalo, boys. I'll leave you to it then. I'm gonna look for New York. If I trade anything, obviously I'll stick it in the Discord. If I don't, then obviously I won't, in the usual stuff. I think that's gonna sit about 150 to be fair. Then might get it on the next M15 or the 15-minute candle after. And then this one here, you could probably go to 915. Probably not this candle, but this candle here. There, I'm done, boys. I will see you all later. Do me a favor, hit like. Unless you have questions. If not, I shall leave, of course, because I have no idea what to add to the conversation. Okay, bro. We'll mock you in Discord. Feel free. Just make sure you hit like. So yeah. Alright then, lads, take it easy. Let me copy the stuff again for anyone who might be watching or something that isn't part of the usual gang. Gang. The link for the copy is I messed up there, didn't I? Yeah, I did. I very much did that. Perfect. Right, boys, peace out. See you later. Have a good one. Stay safe. We'll trade New York, see if anything happens. If not, wait for Tuesday. But this week could be slow. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is dead. We got just unemployment claims on Thursday, and Friday we got some PPI. That's pretty much it. So if you don't get much happening this week, it's fine. It is what it is. Masalama. Ya habibi. Okay, peace out. Bye.